louder.
We hope that we learn someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live we shall live we shall live someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Organized cars realized in 30 American cities. Thank you. Question for grade 1. What is the full form of GK? I'll repeat my question. What is the full form of GK? Yes, we picked the right answer. Question for grade 2. How many keys does any does have? I'll repeat my question. How many keys does any desk have? No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 32 keys. Question for grade 3. 1 kilometer is equal to how many kilometers? I'll repeat my question. How many kilograms is equal to how many grams? No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 100 grams. Question for grade 4. How many bones are there in human body? Yes, you picked the right answer. Listen after them. Question for grade 5. Which is the main gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Yes, you picked the right answer. Listen after them. Thank you. Brought to you by Durga Grade 5 Forum. National News. Odisha, Madhya Pradesh to get hotter heavy rain alert in Assam. Arvind Kejriwal in court today as ED custody ends. Thank you. Grade 5 Forum. Today current sport news. MS Dhoni ends game with 6 by batting. First time in IPL 2024. FIFA World Cup. India lose to Afghanistan. Thank you. This party by Ishita Grade 5 Forum. But many beautiful, many very pretty are attractive. Friends, please spell after me. Beautiful. Australia is wider than the moon. Fact number 2. The strongest muscle in our body is tongue. Fact number 3. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the
Places of heat wells, ex-Telangana Deputy CM, Dr. Rams, VRS Congress. Thank you. Life is beautiful. Live every moment. Discover yourself and be happy. Thank you. Have a thought for you. Today I am here to say weather. Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Last line. Don't change your line. Loudly.
मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शशश्यामलाम मातरम वन्दे मातरम शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता सुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International and national news is brought to you by Administrator from VIII Jasper. International news. Baltimore tragedy highlights a role of migrants of year's workforce. National news. Chief Minister Sidramaya is addressing a poll convention of Congress in Nanjagod of Mysore district. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Navdeep of Grade 8 Jasper. State news. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy addressed the media at the party office. BRS Working President K.T. Ramarao to tour Nalgonda district today. Sport news. RR won the match against MI. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Anvita from Grade 8 Jasper. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Chaitra from Grade 8 Jasper. Thought. The only disability of life is bad attitude. I repeat it again. The only disability of life is bad attitude. Thank you.
Disadvantage or handicap. It spells as DISABILITY. Friends, please spell after me. DISABILITY. Disability. Thank you.
GK questions are brought to you by Liaquat and Muniruddin from Grade Jasper. GK questions. Question for grade 6. Angle greater than 180 less than 360 is called as. I repeat it again. Angle greater than 180 and less than 360 is called as. Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is reflex angle. Question from grade 7. When is
Question 4.
Question for grade 6.
question grade 7? When is Pi Day celebrated around the world? I repeat it again. When is Pi Day celebrated around the world? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer, and the correct answer is March 14. Question for grade 8. Who discovered the symbol infinity? I repeat it again. Who discovered the symbol infinity? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer. And the answer is John Wallis. Thank you.
Question for grade 9. The value of cos 360 is, I repeat, the value of cos 360 is, sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is 1. Open questions for all. Who invented the symbol equal? I repeat, who invented the symbol equal? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is Robert Ricord. Second question. What is the average of first 50 natural numbers? I repeat, what is the average of first 50 natural numbers? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is 25.5. Thank you. Have a good day.